Hi there. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to this town last week. I'm still getting used to everything.
Well, welcome. I can show you around if you'd like.
That would be great, thanks. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away. How about you?
I'm staying with my aunt and uncle for now. They live on Maple Street.
That's not far from here. It's a nice neighborhood.
I've heard good things about it. Everyone seems friendly.
Definitely. If you ever need help or have any questions, feel free to ask.
I appreciate that, Alex. It's nice to know someone here.
No problem, Lily. We're all here to help each other out. So, do you like it here so far?
Yes, the town is lovely, and the people are welcoming. I think I'll enjoy my time here.
I'm glad to hear that. If you ever want to hang out or grab a coffee, just let me know.
I will, thanks. It would be great to explore the town together.
Okay, let's find out how well you understand what's being said. Try to answer the questions in this conversation. Just 4 questions. Let's start. Question 1. What is the girl's name? Options are A. Alex, B. Lily, C. Emma, D. Sarah. Answer is B. Lily. Where is the girl staying? Options are A. With her parents, B. In a hotel, C. With her aunt and uncle, D. In a dormitory. Answer is C. With her aunt and uncle. What does the boy offer to do for the girl? Options are A. Show her around, B. Teach her to drive, C. Cook dinner for her, D. Fix her computer. Answer is A. Show her around. How does the girl feel about the town and its people? Options are A. Unhappy, B. Indifferent, C. Excited and welcomed, D. Nervous and scared. Answer is C. Excited and welcomed. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment your score. Thanks for your practice and learning together.